with Not Too Shabby. I'm so glad you're here because today is release day. We have brand new designs for November. I'm going to share the new box of the month, Desert Dreams. And stay tuned because I'm also going to share the Paper Pad Club and Stamp and Die of the month at the end of the video. This video is part of an inspiration hub for the box of the month. So if you ever run out of ideas on what to do with your box, you can head on over to our YouTube channel and check out the videos. The design team has created so many cute projects for you to do. I will have the link to the subscriptions down in the description box down below. For our subscriptions, if you subscribe, you save 18% off. You'll see that in your shopping cart once you choose monthly for your frequency. You'll get your subscription delivered to you right to your door every 30 days from the date you purchased. We'd love for you to head on over to our Facebook group and join the group, join us, post your pictures of what you've created with your products. We would love to see them. You can follow the hashtag N2S Desert Dreams to bring up all the videos in this hub. I'll also have a lineup in the description box for you. One winner is going to win a $25 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby shop. I will announce the winner on my community tab on November 8th. So let's dig in. For the box of the month, you're getting 3 4x6 stamp sets. They are super cute. I'm going to pop in some photos from the design team. And we also had a guest designer this month, Kendra from Kendra's Card Challenge. I would love for you to head on over to her YouTube channel and check her out. She does amazing cards and she is the creator of Kendra's Card Challenge. If you haven't checked out her challenge, I highly recommend it. So the first stamp set here is called Cowgirl's Heart. We've got beautiful Western style images, cowboy hats, cowboy boots, and I love this one with the flowers inside. The sentiments read, "Hey y'all, you're the ye to my haw, howdy, yee-haw, and it's your birthday." Super, super cute stamp set. There is a coordinating die that will be available on the website. You can pick this up. This die does not come in the box. It is sold individually on the website. It does cut out all the sentiments and the images. Our second stamp set here is called Western Sentiments. This one's perfect to stamp with all your ephemera and create some really fun cards with some fun sentiments. We've got Bless Your Heart, Saddle Up, Cowgirl, Forget Glass Slippers, This Princess Wears Cowboy Boots, Boots, Lace, and a Whole Lot of Grace, I'm Head Over Boots for You, Country Roads, Take Me Home, Wild Hearts Can't Be Broken. And speaking of this sentiment here, I have a free wallpaper download for your cell phone on my website. If you opt into our email list, you can download that wallpaper for free. It's super cute. It matches this month's box of the month. And the third stamp set is called Desert Landscape. It's a beautiful background stamp. I was even thinking to put these 3 together or 2 of them together and make a long slimline card. The sentiments read, "I will never desert you." Kind of a play on words with desert and the word dessert. The sentiment dream and wild birthday wishes. And then I also created this card here using the sentiment Wild Hearts Can't Be Broken. And I used the ephemera and the Cowgirl Up paper pad, which I'm going to share next. And then I also stamped out Forget Glass Slippers, This Princess Wears Cowboy Boots for my sentiment, and I also used the Cowgirl Up paper and coordinating ephemera to create this beautiful card. Okay, so let's share this collection first, and then we'll share this one. So Cowgirl Up is a gorgeous paper pad. Now this paper pad could be used for anything because it's really just florals and wood grain and some paisley prints. So if you wanted to use this for spring, it would be beautiful. Create some beautiful Mother's Day cards, some birthday cards, get well, thinking of you. The prints are just gorgeous. Teresa really did a wonderful job putting this paper pad together. Love the florals with the wood grain, and the colors are stunning. You do get 12 you get 24 designs in this one, 2 of each. And I'm going to put a still shot of all the ephemera laid out for you, but I will bring some of the images up close so you can see them. And I do have a video sharing all of this on Sneak Peeks. This was day 1 if you want to go back and look at each individual piece. I do share that there, but I'll give you some up close looks, and then I'll give you the snapshot of everything. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. And there's some flower baskets in here, which would be perfect for like a Mother's Day card or something like that. Get well soon, thinking of you. I didn't tell you what the junior box was. So the junior box is a smaller version of our big box, and it comes with the Cowgirl Up paper pad and ephemera, and it comes with the Cowgirl's Heart and the Western Sentiments. So this is the junior box. So this collection here and this stamp set here is exclusive to the large box of the month. I do have all the paper and ephemera listed as individual purchase on the website as well, if you're interested in that. The stamp sets are exclusive to the boxes. If there's anything left over, I will list those next month. I love this page here with the stars. So there's like a night scene. Beautiful painted stripes. Beautiful southwestern patterns. You get your icons. Beautiful glitter. Hide print. A nice southwestern pattern. Some desert icons. Some stripes on a peach colored background. And then here's the day scene. Isn't that pretty? And I'm going to pop some photos in of some cards that Helen from Crafty Mama Diaries did. She did a wonderful job. And also some cards from So you do get 4 of each design. And let's take a look at some of the ephemera pieces in here, and then I'll lay out a snapshot of everything. So you do get some florals in here, some cowboy boots, there's a horse, the cowboy boot in a different color, there's a skull that you would find at the desert. There's a lucky horseshoe, there's cactus, and then there's these 2 in here that are large background images. So there's a night scene and a day scene. So this could be the background to your card, and then you can kind of collage on top of it or stamp something on top of it. You could even just cut the white border off if you wanted to. Okay, and here's a still shot of everything that comes in the ephemera pack. You do get a ton of ephemera. And here is my card using a piece of the ephemera and the paper, a piece of the paper from this paper pad and that desert landscape stamp set. This card turned out beautiful. For this ephemera, I just cut the white border off because I didn't have any white on this card, so I didn't want it to have a white border. So don't be afraid to alter your ephemera. I always like adding glitter or glossy accents and just make it your own. So very, very cute, pretty card, and it makes a great masculine card as well. I think a lot of these images from this collection make great masculine cards. So I think this is a well-rounded box of the month. You can make a lot of masculine cards and a lot of feminine cards. So I hope you enjoy that. Let me share the Stamp and Die of the month and the Paper Pad Club. So for our Paper Pad Club, we have 2 designs and the option to add ephemera. And for our Stamp and Die of the month, we have Little Angel. Such a cute stamp set. The coordinating die does cut out all of the images and the sentiments. We've got sentiments, "You're my little angel," "Joy to all," and "Sending prayers." There's a cute little bow you can add to her hair, and a star, a flower, and a dove, and 3 cute little angels. These are designed by Monique Cannon. She is awesome. She's the one that designed my logo. We have a Shabby Christmas for our paper pad that matches the ephemera. So when you join the Paper Pad Club, there's a drop-down menu that asks if you would like ephemera or not. If you subscribe, you do get the discount of 18%, and that includes off your ephemera. So you'll get 2 new paper pads every month and 1 pack of ephemera that matches one of the paper pads. So this paper pad here has cutouts, so you can create your own ephemera, and it's got cute little angels in here. A really cute color palette with this lime green and taupe color. Super cute. There's pink and cream. Just a really cute paper pad. Here are the little cutouts. They're adorable. I'll be doing a card in video on the 7th. We will have another inspiration hop for our Stamp and Die of the month. This one has stars, cute little angels and doves. Really adorable. There's little words on here that say peace, joy to the world, angels. Super cute. It's a nice stripe, a pink glitter, adorable little angels. So you do get 4 sheets of those cutouts, so you can make plenty of cards using those. And then the Shabby Christmas, really super cute. We've got some boho inspired trees, some beautiful winter icons, a plaid. Look at that beautiful snowy scene. I love this one with the poinsettias. There's a glitter in red and then this beautiful snowy background. That would make a lovely background for a scene. Just gorgeous prints. Here's that poinsettia background, but on green. Love it. Here's an abstract background with all of the colors in this paper pad. So super pretty. You get 4 of each design. And then let's take a look at the ephemera, and then I'll lay out a still photo. There's a large poinsettia. How beautiful is that? There's ornaments in here. We also have little mugs with whipped cream and candy canes. Let me bring that up closer for you to see. There's a cute snow globe. There's a really cute snowman in here too. Isn't that adorable? So super cute. Here's the photo of everything. So I hope you enjoy the hop and the new designs. I can't wait to see what you create. You can tag me at Not Too Shabby Shop. That way I'll be able to find all your creations. Love seeing them. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Thanks for shopping, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.